Hey guys, today we're doing a quick unboxing of this iPhone 8. So, I'm just gonna take it out. And don't mind my voice. I'm a little bit sick, so my voice is a little bit different today. Very sneezy and everything. Not the best day to do a video, but I had to do it today. Anyways, so inside the box, we should see this, and then our iPhone in there. So what's inside here? Inside here, the most important thing's not your stickers, but actually this guy right here. Then manual, that's good to know. However, don't really need a manual because you guys have my setup video here on my channel. Anyways, this is important because this is to take out your SIM card. Okay, that's not an SD card, but SIM card. iPhones only have SIM cards, not SD cards, for those of you who haven't owned an iPhone before. Anyways, right in here, we should have our iPhone. Alright, so an iPhone 8, as you guys know, it's not physically that different from an iPhone 7, even from an iPhone 6s. I mean, the biggest difference that you physically see would be the camera size. The lens is a lot bigger in the iPhone 8 and 7. And down here, the plug, as you guys can see, there's no more audio. So your headphones that you get have this connection. Okay, so it's a little bit different. So keep in mind that with an iPhone 8. So here we go. We have this for a wall plug. Usually has plastic over it. Kind of weird that, oh, there we go. It does have plastic over it. Yeah. And then we have our USB cable. So we can use this to plug it into your computer or into here and then just charge up. So those are the things that you guys get with your iPhone 8. Now before I keep going with the unboxing, I'm going to show you stuff that you guys do not get, such as your SIM card. Now the SIM card's the nano one, so it's the one in there. This just has several ones. Okay, these are just basically adapters, and then you would take out the smallest one. You don't get a screen protector, so this tempered glass, and obviously a case. So that's stuff that you may want to consider before even purchasing an iPhone 8. Or any iPhone for that matter. They never come with a SIM card in the box itself. So let's take a closer look. Right here in the iPhone 8, you guys will notice this. That's where your SIM tray is. That's your power button. On the other side, you guys will see this switch. So we can just mute this and unmute it. So you can mute it, unmute it. Okay, so it's silence and unsilence. This is just for your volume buttons. And down here, like I mentioned before, your connection for your audio will be different. So yes, no more regular connection, which sucks for a lot of us, but that's the way it's gonna be. Now in the back, you will notice there's the camera, flash, and just regular iPhone. As all iPhones, they feel pretty good. They don't feel too light or too heavy. They just feel the right amount of weight for something that's not cheap. Obviously, you guys know iPhones are not cheap at all. They're always overpriced for what they are. But anyways, this is just a quick unboxing video. I do have a separate manual, a setup video for you guys to watch, and then a review in the end so you guys can see if this is worth it or not. Of course, an iPhone 8 has been out for a while, so there's a lot of information out there, and I'm gonna compare this up to an iPhone 6, 7, and also the new XR, XS. So you will see how fast this is compared to those newer ones and even older ones to see the speed. That would be it for this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.